All right, so welcome back to White House Farm. What we're doing today is I'm going to show you how to change out your cabin air filter on your Kubota tractor. And we just ordered some on Amazon. And this is the big one that goes right up in here. So if you've had a long year of brush hogging and all types of other stuff, it's good to clean this out. That way you got fresh air on the inside of the cabin, especially when you're running your heat and AC. It gets pretty nasty in there. So I'll go ahead and show you how to change this out. Really quick, simple, and easy. And these are pretty cheap. So I'll leave a link in the description if you're looking to purchase any. Let's get into it. So you got these 4 little screws here. One, and there's 2, and then you got 2 more. Here's 3. And there's 4. So that comes out. We can clean this off. It's got a bunch of junk on it. And then there we go. There's our filter. So you can see how nasty that is. Should look like that. So, backside doesn't look too bad, but you can see all the stuff it was sucking in. So let's open up our new one here. And that should slide right back up in there, just like that. But first, let's spray this off with some air. Clean this off. There we go. That's all cleaned off now. Looks much better. So now, go ahead and put this back up in here. And we'll start putting our bolts back in, our screws here. All right, and the last one, number 4. There we go. All right, so very, very simple. And if you haven't cleaned this out already, there's 6 Phillips screws. You take this out, and you can go ahead and spray that out with air. Make sure that's nice and clean. We already did that. We just had to replace the filter though. So make sure to check out all of our other videos with the tractor and the farm and everything else. And once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.